world is battling a pandemic. Ideally, the world should be sharing resources and knowledge, but the world is not an ideal place. While many have joined hands, some are hard at work to exploit this crisis. We're talking about the United States and China, the world's two biggest economies. They're competing for the tag of superpower. Their ugly and bitter fight is spilling onto the coronavirus crisis. The trade war is not yet over, and now America and China have opened a new front. This is a patent war. Who gets to own the cure of the virus? In February, we had shared the story of the Institute of Technology in Wuhan. This institute is backed by the state. And this institute in Wuhan has played a critical role in China's fight against the coronavirus. A few weeks back, the institute had filed a patent for a drug. This drug is called Remdesivir, something that is believed to be an effective cure for the coronavirus. The patent, if approved, will create a unique opportunity for China. China will be in a position to sell the cure for the coronavirus, something that the world desperately needs. America is also in this race. The Trump administration is trying to make a deal. Germany has a biopharmaceutical company. It is called CureVac. Now, the US is apparently trying to persuade this German company to move its research unit to the United States. The company is running tests on its own coronavirus vaccines, and reports also say that Germany is trying to stop the company from leaving by proposing counter-offers. They will go to the highest bidder. For more than 100 countries that are fighting the coronavirus, a potential cure is the difference between life and death. But for these world powers, it is all about making money. The purpose of a patent is to own the sole right of an invention. The coronavirus has triggered a war. If these patents are passed, the cure for the pandemic will be sold to the highest bidder. The coronavirus is spreading fear, it is spreading illness, death and disruption around the world. Almost all sectors are affected by it, but one. The global big pharma only stands to profit. And that is if they get to control the cure. At some point, they will come up with a cure. One battle is already underway. Take the case of American pharma company Gilead. Reportedly, they have the most promising coronavirus vaccine. And this company is preparing to sell it for $50 to $100. That's well over 7,000 rupees for one vaccine. But Gilead wants to deny China access to this vaccine. And a legal battle is already on between Gilead and the Chinese government. As the United States and China fight this patent war, India's response is in stark contrast. Indian Prime Minister Modi has reached out to SAARC countries. He's offering help. He's offering doctors, equipment. All 8 members are willing to pool in their knowledge and resources to wage a collective battle. The efforts to control the cure for the coronavirus will only slow down this fight. There is a sharp difference already in how the coronavirus outbreak is being handled in different parts of the world. In Miami, for example, one man was charged thousands of dollars for basic tests to rule out an infection. In European countries, testing is largely free. If some blocks are allowed to control a potential cure, then the world will be more vulnerable to such pandemics. This will only widen the gap between the rich and the poor. Treatment will only be made available to those who can pay for it. The promise of a patent might speed up the development of a cure, but it will slow down the fight against the coronavirus.